Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I have plenty of carrots harvested from my home garden. So I would like to make carrot namul. Peel carrots and shred with a slicer. Carrots are highly nutritious and offer a range of essential nutrients. Carrots are particularly known for their high content of beta-carotene, which is converted by the body into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that supports eye health, immune function and skin health. Also, carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate bowel movements. Fiber also contributes to a feeling of fullness, and can assist in weight management. Put it in a heat-resistant container and heat it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Namul can be made by combining seasonings such as soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, garlic and red pepper flakes. However, this time I would like to use S&B Food seasoning powder. This namul seasoning powder contains ingredients such as salt, ground sesame, toasted sesame seeds, garlic, black pepper and powdered soy sauce. It is characterized by the savory flavor of garlic that enhances the vegetables. Simply sprinkle the namul seasoning powder over the carrots. Add sesame oil and sesame seeds and mix well. With just these steps you can easily create a delicious namul. Now plate it up and enjoy. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Arigato. See you next video.